sagutan natin tong problems. Simplify the following. Let's start with 1. I to the 9. Okay, so we're simplifying powers of imaginary number I. So, meron tayong actually pattern kapag we're simplifying powers of the imaginary number I. So, let's start with the definition ng imaginary number I. So, we know that I is equal to square root of negative 1. Right? So, kapag in-square natin both sides, magkakaroon tayo ng I squared is equal to negative 1. Okay? So, we have the first power of I to the first is equal to I. Then, I squared equal to negative 1. Kapag I cube, pwede nating split yung exponent na 3 as I squared times I. But, yung I squared, ang value niya na is negative 1 times I. So, we will have negative I. Kapag I to the fourth naman, split natin yung exponent ni I na 4 as I squared times I squared. Pero yung I squared na tong dalawa is parehong equal sa negative 1. Kaya we have negative 1 times negative 1, that's positive 1. Ngayon, kapag tinuloy ko yung powers nung I to the fifth, pwede siyang I to the fourth times I. But yung I to the fourth is 1 times I. I to the sixth, gagawin ko siyang I to the fifth times I. But yung I to the fifth is I times I. So, bale magiging I times I is I squared or negative 1. I to the seventh, bale I to the 6 times I. But yung I to the 6 is negative 1 times I, negative I. I to the 8, so that's I to the 4 times I to the 4th. But I to the 4th times I to the 4th is parehong 1. So that's equal to 1. So see, naulit yung pattern na I negative 1, negative I 1, I negative 1, negative I 1. So ibig sabihin, para makuha natin yung simplified form ng I raised to certain exponent, gano'n man yan kalaki, divide nyo lang yung exponent na yon by 4, and then yung magiging remainder, yun yung magdidictate kung anong equivalent power nung I yung matitira, which is either yung remainder is 1, 2, 3, or kapag I to the fourth, it's equivalent to remainder of 0 kasi divisible by 4 yung exponent. So, kapag i-divide natin yung exponent by 4, check nyo lang yung remainder. Kung ang remainder is 1, therefore, equivalent siya sa I. Kung remainder is 2, equivalent siya sa negative I. Negative 1 pala, sorry. Kapag remainder is equivalent siya sa negative I. And kung remainder is 0, equivalent siya sa 1. Okay? So, applying that concept dito sa first problem, I to the 9, divide natin yung exponent na 9 by 4. 9 divided by 4, that's 2. 2 times 4, 8. 9 minus 8, 1. So, remainder is 1. So, therefore, is equal to, dahil remainder is 1, it is equal to I. Okay, next, number 2. 3I to the 19 minus I to the 4th. So, 3I to the 19th muna tayo. Divide natin yung 19 by 4. 19 divided by 4, that's 4. 4 times 4, 16. 19 minus 16, that's 3. Remainder is 3. So, we will have I cube or negative I. So, 3 times negative I minus, yung I to the 4th, alam agad natin, that's equal to 1. So, we have minus 1. Simplify, 3 times negative I, that's negative 3I, minus 1, or negative 1 minus 3I. Next, number 3. 6I to the 50th power plus 2I to the 33rd power. So, for 6I to the 50th power, so divide natin yung 50 by 4. So 5 divided by 4, that's 1. 5 minus 4, 1. Bring down the 0. 10 divided by 4, 2. 2 times 4, 8. 10 minus 8, 2. So remainder is 2. Pag remainder is 2, it corresponds to negative 1. So we have 6 times negative 1 plus 2 times I to the 33rd. So divide naman natin yung 33 by 4. 33 divided by 4, that's 8. 8 times 4, 32. 33 minus 32, 1. So remainder 1, ibig sabihin, that's equivalent to I. Okay, so simplify. 6 times negative 1, that's negative 6 plus 2I. Last, for number 4, sorry, this should be 3 and 4. So for number 4, negative 5I to the 25 plus I to the 72 minus 3I to 110 plus 2I to the 27. So negative 5, I to the 25th power. So 25 divided by 4, that's 6, remainder 1, right? So I to the first, or I, plus I to the 72. So 72 divided by 4. So 7 divided by 4, 1. 1 times 4, 4. 7 minus 4, 3. Bring down the 2. 32 divided by 4. So exactly equal to 18. So remainder 0. Ibig sabihin, kapag remainder 0, that's equal to 1. Okay, minus 3, I to 110. So 110 divided by 4. 11 divided by 4, that's 2. 2 times 4, 8. 11 minus 8, 3. Bring down the 0. 30 divided by 4, 7. 7 times 4, 28. 30 minus 28, 2. So remainder is 2. Therefore, it's equivalent to negative 1. So negative 3 times negative 1 plus 2 times I to the 27 divided by 4, that's 6, remainder 3, right? So pag remainder 3, it's equivalent to negative I. Tapos simplify natin. So negative 5I plus 1, negative 3 times negative 1, positive 3, then 2 times negative I, negative 2I. Combine pa natin yung similar terms. So sa constant, 1 plus 3, that's 4. Then yung imaginary parts, negative 5I minus 2I, negative 7I. So this is the final answer. Okay, now it's your turn. So try to simplify this. I to 1,275 plus 3I raised to 252. And just comment your answers.